The mid-year update from the SBCI is now showing that the lending activity of the SBCI since March 2015 has supported over 855 million euros of lending to SMEs right around the country. That's now more than 21,000 businesses that have received SBCI support and over 100,000 jobs supported in that period of time. The SBCI continues to work with its on-lending partners, both banks and non-banks, to bring new forms of support to SMEs and to extend further finance under the existing programs. We now have a wide range of programs, from liquidity support, where we lower the cost and make long-term lending available, through to risk sharing, such as the agriculture cash flow support loan scheme we deployed in January, very successfully, with a rapid take-up of 150 million euros of funding at a very low price of around 3%. The SBCI continues to work on preparing new measures to counter market failures in the credit market for SMEs. We're looking at measures that potentially to respond to the threat from Brexit and help SMEs work through those issues. We're also looking at other risk-sharing measures that might help support SMEs that are affected by the challenge of generational change, or that struggle to get lending because they may lack collateral, or they have largely people-orientated businesses like service businesses. So the SBCI continues to work with policymakers and other stakeholders, and also the market itself, to design and develop new schemes that will provide the support. However, we're very pleased with the results to date. We've now achieved a very high level of funding, and we've exceeded the original funding allocation to the SBCI, which is our original target of 800 million of lending, and we're well beyond that now. We're also looking forward in the fourth quarter to bringing forward the new version of the credit guarantee scheme, which will be easier to operate, and we hope a little bit cheaper than it has been in the past, as an important support for companies that find their first ask of a bank or a non-bank doesn't work, and they need the extra support of the credit guarantee scheme to make that happen.